Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Arindam Banerjee of BSc second year MPCS of Vivekananda Government Degree College. Today, I'm going to give a seminar on the topic personality development. What are the things we have to keep in mind to develop our personality, which is a major factor in today's world. So, I was I have just noted down few points according to me. Maybe few more points would have to be noted down. The first point is well grooming, maintaining your hairs, maintaining nails of foots and hands, maintaining your if you are having beards, you have to maintain it. That comes under well grooming. And the second point is well dressed and wearing a polished shoe. Whether you are whenever you are wearing a formal dress, you should wear a polished shoe, and the dress should be of your size. Neither it should be short, it should be long, and it should be ironed. And the third main point where everyone makes an error is first listen, then speak. That's the main point. And the fourth point is always speak in the favor of the other person with whom you are speaking. For example, if the person with whom you are speaking is very much habituated with using rough language or giving bad words, there you can't be able to give bad words in your language, but you can maintain silence there and you can go with his favor. The fifth point is always maintain a distance of 4 to 5 feet while speaking to a person. Never get angry at any reason. Be humble all the time while speaking. Another point number 7 is bad odor should not come from your mouth and from your body. The eighth point is do not make sound while eating with spoons and in mouth while chewing the food. And always while having food, you should offer food to the person near you. And 10th point, it's a major point. I have till now I have come through that most of the people interrupt when two others are speaking. That's a very bad thing that affects on our personality, on our character. That two are speaking and the third person comes in the middle and interrupt. That should be kept in mind. Whenever two persons are speaking, we should shut our mouth and listen to the discussion they are doing if it's on our favor. If it's not in our favor or it's not of our business, we should not stand and make our personality down. And another thing, point number 11 is management of time is very much essential to build up your personality. And point number 12, which I have noticed in many people that they don't follow, the walking gently. There should be a walking format whenever you walk that affects your personality. And point number 13 is never make fun of others in a public place or in a crowd. Another thing which in friend circle it is mainly happened that people forcibly take treats from their friends or from colleagues. This happens that in between 4 or 5 colleagues they gave and someone said to someone that today you are going to give the treat, even though he or she is not willing to give the treat or he or she is not having that much fund to afford the treat for them. Still, for his respect, he or she is giving the treat. That is not good. And the point number 15 is don't argue on the topic which you don't know. Point number 16, laugh limitedly. Excess laughing is not good. Point number 17, which is my last point, it is always keep your words. Whatever the promise you do to others, always try to keep the promise. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Very good, Arindam. All the 17 points are very, very valid and good. You chose something that we can all relate to from fire, you and all you have moved to personality development, which is relatable kind of for us. Physics was very, what do you call, subject oriented and things
Bouncing.
like that. But yeah, yeah, it was, this is like, applicable to everybody. And this is something and very, very important topic also, and all the 17 points that you presented is something that we can all cultivate and we should cultivate. There is nothing not doable in those 17 points.
Yes.
I have just, because you are a good student, I will just point out one pronunciation mistake that you made. Iron, I-R-O-N-E-D, iron. Clothes are ironed. Not iron. The R is always silent in English. Huh? So iron, I-R-O-N is iron. Okay, the R is silent in English. Okay, unless
Okay.
the R sound comes in the beginning of a word. For example, rose, red. Then the R is pronounced in English. But when it comes medially, that is in the middle of the word or at the end of the word. For example, remember. It starts with a R and it ends with a R. Okay, R. Okay, but the first sound R is pronounced re, but then the last one, remember, ER, you don't say R there, you say remember. It's A.
Yes.
It ends with a A. So similarly, iron, I-R-O-N, R sound is coming in the middle of the word. So you say iron. It is as if the R is not there. I-O-N, iron. You have irons, no, in science, the same way.
Yes,
The R is silent. Okay, always. When R sound, it's a rule. When the R sound in English appears medially in the middle of the word or at the word final position, end of the word, it is silent. Okay, so iron. But rose, red. But in a word like remember, the R is pronounced word initially, but silent word finally. Did you get what I'm trying to say? Others also you can make a point. Apart from that, it was a very well organized presentation, very nicely presented step by step. 17 do's of personality development, which all of us can follow. I didn't like the treat thing. If you don't ask for treat, who will give treats? No? We have to demand treats, no, from our friends and colleagues. Who will say, okay, here I am going to treat you, come, come, come. So you have to demand for treats from your friends and colleagues. Only
yes.
then will they treat.
I
I
didn't
know, I
want
was
to
just
see.
joking. I was just joking.
Yes,
Yeah, tell me, ma.
yes, ma'am. I just kept that in our friend circle, it won't work out. But basically, that habit comes from our friend circle. That's why I
Yes.
gave the example of friend
No,
circle.
I
But
understand. You cannot say I want it and demand it rudely or
yes,
make fun of a person. Oh, you're not treating us for your birthday. I understand what you're trying to say. But then
yes,
unless you say treat, 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 nobody is going to treat you. Yes or no? Okay. Otherwise, it was a very
yes,
well done
yes.
presentation. And I liked it. I liked all the 17 points because all of us can practice those 17 points. Suchitra ma'am.
Yeah, Arindam, yeah, today's topic, as Anita ma'am said, we could all relate to it. It was a nice topic on personality development. Your points were good, uh, but I think we come a long way. So I would like to, as usual, you're always good with your presentations, but there are certain things that you need to improve. And what I felt was where you went wrong, I would like to just point out so that you can concentrate on that and improve. I won't say you're bad, but yeah, these are now it's high time that we should try to know where we are going wrong and rectify that. So the first
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
is
Yes, ma'am.
try to avoid the phrase according to me in a presentation, right? Try to avoid it. right? I won't say you should. I don't know whether it's right or wrong, but according to me, I think we should avoid this phrase according to me. Then
Yes, ma'am.
concentrate on your
Actually,
grammar. The
the thing
tenses here and there,
that
I could
is
see that the tenses were a bit this thing. And you should be a little more professional in your presentation when you are when you were giving your points. It here and there I felt that it was like you are interacting. Always your presentation should be professional. Interaction comes in the last when the question answer session comes, right? So a little
yes, ma'am.
professionalism is needed in your presentation. Otherwise it was nice, the topic was nice, all the 17 points were good. Thank you. Mangla ma'am.
Yeah, when compared to the other previous presentations, this you have somewhat stuck to your time management was good. Now exactly we have 10 more minutes left. Good, Arindam, but I hope that you write these points on a piece of paper, because all the 17 points are very relatable and everything is done. According to me, you shouldn't use instead, you use in my opinion, one standard phrase. And grooming के बाद while listening and speaking, distancing yourself, then you went back to bad odor, body odor. All this
Yeah,
body
yeah.
odor, wearing iron clothes,
Yes, ma'am.
all this come under grooming. So a little
Yes, ma'am.
management of points, settling the points into under different heads, that you could have worked a little. But otherwise, it's a nice one. Thank you.